It's not about how much data you have collected, but how you process it and bring in meaning to it through the use of visuals. It all begins with the use of the right tool. Let me introduce you to my favorite, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is the industry-leading spreadsheet software program, a very powerful data visualization and analysis tool that can help you take your data analytics to the next level. With Microsoft Excel, you can understand trends, patterns, and use modern formulas to perform multifunctional calculations. It is best for students, lecturers, industrial experts who are involved in a lot of data collection and management. You can plot different kind of charts and graphs, including pie charts, bar charts, sophisticated graphs, even sparkline charts, and you can work with multiple tables, including the pivot tables and pivot charts that are very dynamic in nature. In fact, it's now possible to create forecasts to understand trends in Microsoft Excel with just a single click. Hi, I'm Dr. Rashid, a speech and presentation coach. In this all-in-one course, I went from beginner skills to advanced. For better experience through this course, you will require Microsoft Office 365 subscription, or at least Microsoft Office 2021 subscription. By the end of this course, you will learn the following skills in Microsoft Excel. How to open Excel from blank sheets and templates, how to create and save templates on your own. You will understand the general overview of the platform, how to customize the ribbons to include the basic features you will need as you operate. The course covered the basic principles of data sorting, transpose, adjusting cell sizes, freezing paints, and trimming data, including the power of the Format Painter tool in Excel. I extensively covered the basics of how to carry out from simple to complex mathematical operations using formulas in Excel, how to calculate statistical terms like mean, median, mode, and standard deviations, how to show formulas in Excel, and how understanding the field series can ease your data analysis in Microsoft Excel. Also, I have covered in detail how to create tables, how to do quick analysis of any kind of data to have an idea of its behavior prior to plotting, how to plot simple charts, how to use the forecast function to look into the future behavior of your data. It doesn't stop there. I covered how to plot pie charts, sparkline charts, how to format chart axes and hide data in Excel. Through this course, you will understand the fundamentals of pivot charts and pivot tables and their dynamics in data analysis. Additionally, you will learn how to use the find and replace features in Excel, inserting different hyperlinks from documents to web pages, both within and outside the worksheet. In this very course, I covered data validation and how to use dynamic maps in Excel. In order to boost your experience in Excel, I have included interesting skill sets like how to convert PDF to Excel and vice versa, how to insert header and footer, how to separate names in Excel. I have also shared my top 20 shortcut keys and how to use the camera tool in detail, how to change spreadsheet backgrounds, how to link Excel data to Word, how to add borders, how to protect and break Excel passwords in case you have forgotten, and how to create drop-down lists within Microsoft Excel. In this very course, I have covered in detail how to print Excel data using various page setups and margins, how to create organizational charts in Excel, how to take screenshots in Excel, and how to use the Microsoft Excel Online for free. To cap it all and to go a bit advanced, I have included my top 50 tips and tricks, including various Excel functions such as the if function, 3D referencing, conditional formatting, if error function, the PMT function, the count blank function, goal seek function, the is blank function, autofill function, and many more. Lastly, I have made the course interactive as I have packed it with lots of exercises at intervals to promote engagement and boost productivity.